October the 5th, 2019. We're going through the Monumental Dam and Lock here. The sun's in my eyes, so if I turn the camera around, you may not be able to see very well, but it's right out in front of us. I'm going to try to get some decent shots here, but we'll have to see. But anyhow, we'll see what we can do. All right, signing off. Bye-bye. Okay, I'm going to try to give you a little shade here, but the sun's right in my eyes, but the lock is straight out in front of us, like right over there. So that's where we're heading. And let's see if we can get a little bit closer here, but we're on the National Geographic quest. Going through Monumental Dam, Lock. Went through two other ones last night, but it was dark. I didn't stay up to watch it then. That's my hand out here trying to shield the sun. Okay. Oh, we're a little closer now. Still got that sun up there, but we're heading right down here is where the lock is, right there. So we got a lot of people out on the bow of the ship, and I'm up a little bit higher here. So coming into it. Maybe this will turn out. I got my sunglasses on, my Polaroid sunglasses, so can't really see the screen very well because it wipes out part of it here, but working our way into the lock very gingerly, as to be expected. Now that we've slowed down, there's hardly any wind. You can see the windsock over there is not even moving, so it's good. But there's no wind to push us around, I guess. Not like on the kayaks earlier. We're still on that same lock. We still got that sun up there. I can't shield it no matter what I do here, so it's just going to have to be in the image. Trying to hold this down. There you go. Maybe that's a little bit better. I'm not necessarily talking to myself because it's recording on the video here, so if people hear me, that's why I'm talking here. Okay. Now we're coming into the lock. We're doing pretty good. Not bumping the sides. And it's about just the right size for this boat, I think. I think it won't take anything larger than this. And I think we're going to be lowered down on the other side here. So that side over there, and not much to see in the countryside. Everything's pretty brown here. No real scenery except mountains and rocks and brown grass. But I don't know what time it is here. It's about 5:30 in the evening, and we're still coming into the lock here. Well, we're almost into the lock here, and we're coming up here, and we're a little bit off to one side, but we're still not scraping. That side over there looks like it's very close, but this side over here looks like there's a lot more room. But they've done this a number of times, so I presume they know what they're doing then. Okay, the sun has gone behind the hill up there, so you get a little bit better view now. We're inside here, and it looks like the water's going down. I can see it over there. You can see it right along the edge over there. If you look real close, it's going down fairly quick. And we're sinking down here, as we should be. So,
look at that framing we got going on there.
Go down, look in the back. but pretty soon those gates are going to open up front, and we'll be level with the next part of the river, because you saw the dam on the other side there. And there's that water. It's still going down. It's going down. And we don't have the sun issue now, which is good. I'm still here inside, and you can see in back of me, we've gone down here, and I'm up here on this top deck, so still going down here a little bit more, going down even further here. There's a fairly decent drop here, so let's turn around and have a look. Still going down, still going down. Went down quite a bit.
Slideshow.
Sure.
He was trying to get some photos to go with that. And I said, I've always wanted to go to South Georgia. So they said, that's the trip we're trying to get somebody for. So when they did, I went with them, paid the price to get
Yep.
for it.
I have a YouTube channel with all my travel videos from every place that I've been on there. I'll pass a link on to you there if you're interested. We're moving forwards, and we're going to go under here pretty soon. And still hugging that wall over there, because that's the side that they're maneuvering from. So we're coming out into the light here. Like I said, there's a big crack here. This goes down diagonally. Yeah. And there's the big door up there. We're going to get some drips. So we'll come back here a little bit. We're well safe here now. And that's the lock where we just came from, and there's the dam over there, as you can see. So we just popped out of there. There's a train going by up there. And we're down about 100 feet lower than we were on the other side.